Ayun guys, what's up all people right now? Maaga ang prepare namin guys dahil may mass for today. Ayan. Mahalang inyo, good morning. Tumagod na lang. Yan ang prepare naming maaga.
Hello guys.
Good morning bro.
Foreigner ah.
Ayan ang paligid dito guys.